NCERT Solutions, Class 10, Mathematics, Chapter 7, Coordinate Geometry, Exercise 7.1, Question 3. Determine if the points 1, 5, 2, 3 and -2, -11 are collinear. Now let us find the answer. Collinear points are the points that lie on the same straight line. Same straight line means the slopes of any two pairs of points should be same. For example, consider that we are given points P1, P2 and P3. The slope of the line joining P1 and P2 should be equal to the slope of the line joining P2 and P3. Now, what is the formula to find the slope when we are given 2 points? The formula is, if the 2 points are x1, y1 and x2, y2, then the slope of the line joining these 2 points is m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. The difference of the y coordinates divided by difference of the x coordinates. We have already said that to check whether these 3 points are collinear, we need to take any 2 pairs of points, then find their slopes and then compare those slopes. If those slopes are equal, then the 3 points are collinear. Otherwise, the points are not collinear. Now, for the 2 pairs of points, let us take the first pair of points 1, 5 and 2, 3. And the second pair of points shall be 2, 3 and -2, -11. First pair of points 1, 5 and 2, 3. And the second pair of points shall be 2, 3 and -2, -11. First, let us find the slope for the points 1, 5 and 2, 3. The slope formula is m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Here we are given x1, y1 is equal to 1, 5 and x2, y2 is equal to 2, 3. Let us substitute the values. M is equal to y2 is 3, y1 is 5 by x2 is 2, x1 is 1, which is equal to 3 minus 5 is -2 divided by 2 minus 1 is 1, which is equal to -2. Therefore, the slope of the line joining the points 1, 5 and 2, 3 is -2. Now let us find the slope for the points 2, 3 and -2, -11. The slope formula is m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. The given points are x1, y1 is equal to 2, 3 and x2, y2 is equal to -2, -11. Substitute these values in the formula. Slope m is equal to y2 is -11 minus y1 is 3 divided by x2 is -2 minus x1 is 2. That is equal to -11 minus 3 is -14 divided by -2 minus 2 is -4. That is equal to 14 by 4. Cancel 2 from both numerator and denominator. We get 7 by 2. Therefore, the slope of the line joining the points 2, 3 and -2, -11 is 7 by 2. Now we have find the 2 slopes. Let us compare these two slopes. The slope of the line joining the points 1, 5 and 2, 3 is minus 2. The slope of the line joining the points 2, 3 and minus 2, minus 11 is 7 by 2, which are not equal. Therefore, the given 3 points are not collinear.